What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chocolate Muffin here, and welcome to another review from HForHype. Today we have been sent two items from HForHype. One is a Supreme bandana box logo, and the other one is another Swarovski t-shirt. Before we get into this video, I do want to say a massive thank you to HForHype for sponsoring me. All the information will be on screen right now and in the description, and if you want to cop anything from HForHype, definitely use my code Chocolate Muffin. You'll see it down here or down here in the corner. Use Chocolate Muffin, you get 10% off your order if you spend over £200 or $200, and you also get a free pair of socks. So now we are going to unbox another Swarovski t-shirt. This time this is the red one. I've got two white ones, I've got a black one, and now I have the red one. I'm in love with these t-shirts. I absolutely love them. They are so nice. I got a little bit of paper. I don't know why. But yeah, I guess it was just to cover it. Get another Supreme bag. You also get one of these things. I see plenty of them. But I don't think I'll ever wear this. But I just thought this was amazing, and I have to have it because I already got all the other ones, and yeah. So starting off, oh my god, that's all I gotta say. Checking out the label. Label is super clean. Comes with another StockX tag. Let's check out the label. As you can see, let's check out the label. They're gonna track it. There you go. Look at that. I'm gonna lift it up as well, so you can see that. It's got the nice Supreme thing, the little Supreme thing. It also comes with the Swarovski care instructions, which is super nice. You got Chinese on this side, and then you've got English on this side. Then we go into the box logo. Now this is super nice. Look at that. Ooh, look at that sparkles. But look at that. Look at that. Going into the box logo like more, it is literally so nice. It's like the white one where you can see where it looks like there's a missing crystal, but there's not, which is totally fine, which there is on the legit one. But the crystal placement, so good on this. I have not got any complaints so far. Really nice. Yeah, they've done a really nice job. They've done a super nice job. This looks so nice. I will remember to hold up the t-shirts for a while. Let's get like a zoom in on that box logo. Ooh, look at that sparkles though. That's what I mean. Them sparkles, super nice. Yeah, I mean, this product is really nice. You probably want to see me try it on, and I will definitely try this on. But this hoodie, I mean, if you haven't seen this video, it'll be on one of these eyes in the corner, and it will be in the description. This hoodie, super one-on-one. It's amazing, and I absolutely love it. Let's try this t-shirt on. So, as you can see, I got the t-shirt on. It fits nicely. I did buy a large. I would have preferred it in an extra large, but all them t-shirts sold out. But this is super nice. I don't think I could ever rock this colour though. What do you think? Can I rock this colour? What do you think? Tell me down below. Tell me with all them sparkles as well. Should we get my torch on just to have a look? Just have a look at the sparkles. Is that going to show? Don't know if that's going to show, but in real life, let me turn my torch power down a little bit. Is that going to show? But yeah, this is super sparkly. I don't think I could pull this off though, sadly. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up here, guys. If you're interested in this product, definitely check it down in the description. It will be down there. If you want more fit pics or just pictures of the tees, my Instagram is in the description. Remember to follow HForHype on Instagram and check out their website. Also, if you do cop anything on HForHype, it could be literally anything. It could be this bandana, it could be this t-shirt, could be the white one, could be the black one, could be anything. Definitely use my code Chocolate Muffin and you'll receive 10% off your order. I know a lot of you have actually started using it, which is really good. HForHype is currently closed, so if you do order, your order will be prioritized when they reopen in early Feb. I've got a really good, more videos coming up. I've got a puffer jacket, I've got a Supreme North Face puffer jacket, and I also got like a random tee I threw in there just for the funds. But yeah, thank you HForHype for sponsoring me. I absolutely love these products, and I will continue buying products from you. Other than that, guys, I'll see you later. Bye!